The volcano in the Aleutian Islands is 940 miles southwest of Anchorage. Its most recent significant eruption began in February of 2001, featured 3 explosive events that sent ash clouds as high as 39,000 feet above sea level. If you want your letters and bills to arrive on time, practice your penmanship. CBS's Sam Litzinger explains.
Is that a G? A T? What is that? In September, the post office will close one of its 2 remaining centers where workers try to read the scribble on envelopes and address labels that machines can't. Barbara Bath is the operations manager at the Salt Lake City facility, the one that'll stay open for the time being.
We've got, right now, roughly about 700 employees, spending about 3 seconds on each image, and possibly getting about 1,200 images an hour.
Not too long ago, there were 55 plants around the country where addresses rejected by machines were guessed at by workers. Sam Litzinger, CBS News.
Oscar-nominated actress Keira Knightley has wed rocker James Wrighton in southern France. The French mayor says the couple followed French tradition when he married them at the Mazan Town Hall yesterday in a small ceremony. The service was read in French, and the couple responded in French and English while 10 people were present. He and Knightley got engaged about a year ago. And today is Lemonade Day. That means plenty of lemonade stands will be open for business. Entrepreneurs ranging in age from 3 to 17 have been paired with a mentor to develop a 14-step business plan as part of the 7th annual event. Here's President Julie Everett. She's got more.
Lemonade Day is one of those fun and exciting programs that teaches kids about business in a fun and experiential way using something as simple as a lemonade stand.
So go out today and enjoy a nice cold lemonade. WBZ News Time, 8:52.
Traffic, roads, and weather.
Weather in just 10 minutes.
Are now together. Trouble west of town, cloudy, windy, and chilly every 10 minutes. Details will be
The roads are a mess.
at 3, 13, 23, 33, 43, and 53 past the hour. Just 10 minutes of News Watch. Weather Watch. Traffic Watch. Never stop. WBZ. News Radio 1030.
And WBZ News Time now, 8:53. Time for our traffic and weather together. We begin with the Subaru dealers of New England all-wheel drive traffic on the 3s. Once again, let's go out to Nicole Davis.
Okay, thank you much. Very light volume on our downtown highways, but our surface roads, well, that's something different. Lots of closures out there due to the Walk for Hunger. So you'll find certain at Boylston Street, parts of that, Charles Street, and Palm Ave, as well as Arlington and Beacon Street. All of those are going to be shut down in spots for the Walk for Hunger. Also watch out for portions of Newton Center being shut down, like Langley Road, Center Street, and portions of Beacon Street through Brookline as well. In Watertown, portions of Greenup Boulevard are going to shut down later on this morning, not so much right now. Memorial Drive is set to be closed between the Fresh Pond Parkway and Western Ave at 11 o'clock. And also the Newton Corner exit on the eastbound part of the Mass Pike is shutting down at 10 a.m. to 6:17, and it will be until later this evening. Again, all these closures are for the Walk for Hunger, I should say. But right now downtown, the highways are doing fine. South of town, the expressway still a beautiful straight shot end to end. Route 3, 165, 128 all look good. Same situation north of town, like 393, 95, and Route 1. You're doing fine on both sides of 128, and west of town, Route 2 and 9, not much of a traffic overlay. Next report, 903 on WBZ's traffic on the 3s.
Nicole, thank you. Now let's go out and check the extended WBZ AccuWeather forecast. Now let's turn things over to meteorologist Heather Sarah.
Today will stay a little cool, but it is going to be bright and sunny. We'll have a high of 56, then a few clouds tonight, a low of 41. Sunny and nice tomorrow with a warm high of 64, and a very high 60 on Tuesday. There can be a shower in the afternoon on Wednesday. Otherwise, we'll have cloudy skies and a high of 66. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Heather Sarah, WBZ News Radio 1030.
Right now, 53s and sunshine in Boston.
Summer education is your schedule. College will be to professional studies if you want possible. On campus, online, or your time. Apps to take you where you want to go. Visit www.edu/WBZ.
Now 8:55 on WBZ.